Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Civil Engineer VN, my channel sharing useful information related to civil engineering, construction field. My topic today is some English words about construction equipment. Container for office site. Excavator. Truck. Bulldozer. Steamroller. Concrete mixer. Mechanical trowel. Vibratory jump compactor. Vibratory plate compactor. Total station. Automatic level. Generator. Scaffolding. Formwork plywood. Vertical hanger support. U-shape 500. Steel box. Tie rod D16. Concrete vibrator. Bar bender. Bar cutter. Electric welder. High pressure water pump. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Goodbye. See you next time.